Hello everybody, welcome. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. This is Annie with Everyday Nurse, and here I seek to inspire people to live well sustainably. So today we're going to talk about the mindset around goal setting, especially when it comes to health. I'm going to give you guys some plug and play tools for your mindset for 2024, because 2024 is a winning year, okay? That's the first thing. You have to believe it. If you don't believe it, don't choose it. Choose the thing you can believe. This year, I'm going to drink more water. Great. Does that sound believable to you? Does that sound easy to believe? Absolutely. Because if you drink 1 cup more water than you did last year, you've won, okay? And yes, you can set it such that this year I'm going to buy a gallon bottle that has the marks on it, you know, the ounces, and every day I'm going to push as hard as I can to get as low as I can on that bottle. That is something that's measurable, and when you get to certain markers on that bottle, you can celebrate those wins, right? Because you see it happening. So one of the mindsets is do something that you are going to believe. If you say to yourself, this year I'm going to run 4 miles a week, but you don't believe it inside because you know right now you run no miles a week, that's going to be difficult for you to actually implement because you don't believe it. So set goals or decide to do things that you believe you're going to do. That's number one. The second thing we're going to talk about for our 2024 goals is that you need to know that you have not done it by yourself. So last year I didn't do it by myself. The last year I didn't do it. The last year I didn't do it. The last year I didn't do it. The year before that I didn't do it. And on and on and on and on. Even if it's different goals. And part of it might just be that you need encouragement. You need accountability. You need somebody to do it with you. Goals are so much more attainable in groups than alone. Okay, so that's just something about the way we're wired as humans, that we just love to do things with other people. So the encouragement in doing things with other people is that you can hold them accountable, they hold you accountable. Anyway, so you know, this idea that you can use a team, use a group, there are free Facebook groups for about anything I can think of. And there are community groups, and there are other online forums that you can join and be a part of a community that is going in the direction that you're trying to go in. And what that does is every time you see someone's win, it encourages you, because you see somebody who had the same struggles, who has the same goals, and they're moving. They can encourage you as they go along, and they can share with you what they did to get to where they are. So join a community. That's the second thing that you're going to do to win this year. The third thing we're going to talk about that is going to help you win is investing in yourself. And when I speak about investing in yourself, I mean buy a book, buy a coaching program, join a gym, but you're investing in yourself by paying them to teach you how to do that thing successfully. Again, these are things that I have done, and I have found incredible success just going to the end goal, because you're saying, hey, this is what I want my health to look like, and here's someone who is there, or who knows how to, who has been where I've been, and they're offering help. And so what am I going to do? I'm going to say, hey, I want to get to where you are, and I want to do it faster. So far your own ideas have not worked, right? So you want to try and invest in someone else's ideas and see how far they'll carry you. Chances are, if they've been successful at doing it and they're giving you the play on how they were successful, chances are you'll be successful as well. Now, there are variables, yes, and you have to find the right fit for you, for your situation. You know, someone with 1 child may not really be able to give you a full-on play for your 15 children situation, you know. And yes, that's an extreme example, but that's what I'm trying to show you, that there is a scale. So if you're trying to lose 162 pounds by the end of next year, check with the doctor, right? Check with the doctor, make sure that that's a healthful goal, and that that's something that's not going to throw off your body. You get the check off, yes. It may not be as beneficial to go and read a book of someone who lost, I don't know, 10 pounds in a year. Some of the principles may apply. However, the pace at which you're going and the grandeur of your goal, it's a great goal, right? But you may have to find someone who did something similar to what you are trying to do. That's it. I mean, that is not the full play of all the things you can do to fix your mindset or to get ready, but this is just part of it. You know, this is a start for you. Number one, figure out where you're trying to go, but believe it. And once you can believe it, make it measurable, okay? And then get with a community if you need the extra help, the extra push, the extra encouragement. Last but not least, in no particular order, if you see someone who's doing or who has done what you would like to do, use that as leverage. Invest in yourself and have that person show you and walk you through how they did it. Not only does that turn into a form of accountability, but it is also a way for you to get there faster and to ensure that, hey, I have a proven framework that I can follow that will get me the results that I want. So that's all for today. I'll see you next time. This is Nurse Annie signing off.